Hi friends, it's Jenny.
And Becky.
And I am still at my sister's house, and so we are opening day 9 of our Jesse James Beads Advent calendar because I've been doing the odd days, she's been doing the even days. Somehow my day 9 snowflake went missing, and it looks like it's maybe a different size bag, but it feels like the same thing. So I don't think I got things mixed up.
No.
We're about to find out.
We are.
We're about to find out. If you have missed any of these, we're just opening them back and forth every day, finishing on December 24th. And if you've missed any, don't worry. We have a playlist. It's in the description, and you can check that out at any time just to see, you know, what we've already opened. So, are you ready to open number 9?
Ready. Let's open number 9 and see what's inside. I'm excited to open this with you. I love that we can do this together while you are visiting me. We love to do things together, my friends. If you're new to our channel, Jenny and I bead together. It's Becky and Jenny beading together. But Jenny creates content, and I also create content, and we do stuff together. So,
because we do like to do things together. Now,
all right. Are you open?
I am open, and I'm ready to pull out. I think it's 2 different packages, or it's just folded over. Oh, it's folded. Oh, there's a code.
Scan the code to learn how to create your own beaded wreath with JJB team member Kelly. We have a kit, friends. Look at this kit.
Oh.
Let's see what's inside the kit. Ah, this is exciting.
How fun. Oh, it's, okay, so it uses very fine gauge wire. What would you say? That's probably a 26?
I think it's 26 gauge wire, but there's also a loop. This feels like 20 gauge wire. So we've got both, and I love that. And there is going to be a tutorial with this that you can, or use the link. There's a little link that we can watch in order to create with. Jenny, show us the beads.
So we have, let me go ahead and our lighting is a little bit different tonight. Today. Don't judge too much. But let's go ahead and get these out because we've got a couple of packets of seed beads. We have these little opaque green 11-ohs.
I love them so much. They are such a pretty Kelly green.
They really are. I love
like
that.
The perfect green. These are, 11-oh seed beads.
And then these are translucent 8-oh seed beads with an AB luster on them.
Yes. How pretty is that? I love it.
And if, like me, you were new and like, what is AB that everybody keeps saying? It's Aurora Borealis, friends.
Yeah, that's where you get the little
the
light
shimmery
rainbow sheen.
Yes. Yes. So.
Yay. So we've got both of those sides of seed beads. And then in the other bag...
The other bag has a mix.
Bicones and pearls.
Yep, red bicones and some ivory glass pearls. Mine is not opening. Hold on.
It's okay. I'm going to put a couple of these from my mix onto the plate so that we can bring them up close and people can take a look at this. This is a really gorgeous, vibrant red. Jenny's adjusting the light.
I am because I was getting a shadow from my phone itself, so I'm bringing this light down closer so we have less weird shadows. I think that's going to be better. I'm sorry that it was not set up that way to start with. I wasn't thinking about that.
No, it's okay. We are actually at my dining room table, which is where I started recording my videos. So the lighting is not as great as at my desk, but we can't both fit at my desk, so
no,
we are doing it this way.
It was better before.
Was it? Like that?
Maybe. Well,
no, that's
no. Okay.
That's gonna be good.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what else happens? Maybe.
Yeah, we're getting the shadow from this.
Okay.
So it has to be behind or to the side.
That works.
I usually have my one that's on this side, like right here, shining down.
I got one over here on this side, but we.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
There we go. Better lighting.
Yes. So I was about to spill mine out onto the dish, but then I remembered these came from Becky's mix, and I don't want to steal her mix because there is a pattern to follow with this, and I want to make sure she has as many beads as she needs.
Yeah, I would be really sad if I was like halfway through and I ran out of beads and I wasn't gonna have that.
It would be so sad.
But oh my gosh, Jenny, this is so much fun to open this with you.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe this is something we do while we're watching one of our movies.
I think that's a really good idea because we do have some plans this weekend. So we're gonna have some fun. Maybe we'll follow the tutorial, we'll watch the tutorial, and then we'll bead some stuff together. And it's gonna be just wire wrapping, it looks like. So my guess is that we're gonna be using the 20 gauge wire to create a loop. And then we're going to be using this
beaded wreath
to wrap onto it, but I haven't seen the tutorial yet, so I will find out. This is just me guessing what it would be.
Yeah,
but we'll find out when we get around to that.
It's gonna be fun. That's gonna be
so
fun.
much fun. I love beads. I love that we get to play with beads together.
Okay.
Yay.
But I'm having fun with this. I've been having fun, especially here with Becky, being able to open a couple of these days while we're here together.
Yes.
And then I do have to go home, and we're going to finish wrapping this up.
Yeah.
But this is going to be day 9. Day 9, Sunday.
Day 9. And then day 10, I will have to open by myself because my sister won't be here.
It's true.
Yeah.
Poor thing.
It's going to be the worst, friends. The worst.
The worst.
But that's okay because she can open up her day 11 on her own.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll open up day 12, which will be on the 24th.
It will be.
Yeah.
And it's a good thing you're opening that because I will be on my way to go visit family, other family, like on my husband's side. Well, and ours. I'll get to see our mom while I'm there. So we'll get to have some good time.
But we are having a celebration, sort of a mini celebration here at my house leading up to Christmas. So we've had a lot of Christmas food that we've been enjoying, sort of a Festivus thing. There was a little airing of grievances.
There was.
There was. We didn't plan for that.
You
but
can't get 4 siblings together without
you
some
cannot.
airing of grievances.
A little grievances is going to happen for people who are very close in age together who grow up like that. But then I guess we're skipping the feats of strength. Everybody knows that I would win, so
she would. There's no contest.
We'll do that, but we are having a wonderful time together, and we are glad that we can share a little bit of our time together with you, opening up these Advents together. Yes, it's super fun, and I love you.
I love you too. So thank you for joining us, and make sure that you, if you haven't already, hit like, subscribe so you can see the following Advent days. And like we said, check out the description. There is a link to the playlist. If this is the first one you've seen, you can definitely go and see more.
Yeah, that's true. Check out Jesse James Beads. We love their bead mixes, and they really knocked it out of the park, I think, this year for the Advent, just curating a really beautiful and fun experience. We've had bead mixes, we've had 2 different kits. We had the first day was the pen kit.
The beaded pen kit.
And then this is a whole project. Here we've had some findings. We've had just a really fun, just spreading the joy out over all of these days with some beady things, beady goodness.
I'm curious to what we'll see in the last 3 days.
Me too. I'm excited. So until next time, my friends, happy beading.
And don't forget to play.
Bye.